Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you know that to start speaking fluent English, you don't need thousands of difficult words? Yes, it's true. With just 3000 basic words, you can already start forming sentence, expressing yourself and building confidence. And guess what? I'm not learning alone. I'm learning with ChatGPT as my English teacher and practice partner. ChatGPT is building me step by correcting my mistakes and helping me speak fluently. So if you stay with me until the end of this video, you will realize that English is not difficult at all. Let's begin. Starting with small words. ChatGPT says English is about connection, not about remembering big words. Let's try some small words. Yeah, articles. About preposition. Above preposition. Again, adverb. With the ChatGPT's help, I make the sentences. This is a pen. She is an artist. Tell me about your family. The picture is above the table. Try again. Just five words, small words can already help us speak useful sentences. Making sentences with action words. ChatGPT suggests we practice simple verbs. Accept, achieve, act, add, agree. Now, with ChatGPT I practice. I accept your idea. You can achieve your dream. You can act in a movie. Please add some sugar. Do you agree with me? There are verbs are very simple, but when we practice them with ChatGPT every day, fluency grows faster, creating mini conversations. Example, me. Do you agree with me? ChatGPT. Yes, I accept your opinion. Example 2. Me. It's me. Can you add more details? ChatGPT. Yes, I will act quickly with just a few words. And with ChatGPT's guidance, I already sound fluent. Power of Power of connecting words. ChatGPT reminds me that connecting words are powerful and because but if together we practice. I like coffee and tea. I stayed home because it's rained. I want to go, but I'm busy. I will come if you call me. Even with just 300 words, ChatGPT helps me connect them to make longer fluent sentences. Daily practice method with ChatGPT is how I practice with ChatGPT every day. I pick 10 new words from the list. ChatGPT gives me 5 example sentences for each word. I read them aloud and ChatGPT corrects me if needed. I try to use those words in my real life. Example, today's words are app, agree, alone, angry with ChatGPT's help. I practice. I download a new app. I agree with you. Third one, he's still sitting alone. Fourth one, she looks angry. Fifth one, do you have any questions? Correlations. I just practiced 5 useful sentences with ChatGPT as my teacher. Now I see that even with a small vocabulary, I can already speak fluent English. Need to memorize 3000 words immediately with ChatGPT guidance me. I can start small, stay consistent, and improve every day. In the next video, I will continue my challenge with ChatGPT practice words like around, task, attention, and many more. Thank you so much for watching today's Learning English with ChatGPT. Day Challenge Day 1 series. In this video, we will learn many useful words, starting with the letters A and B along with their meanings, levels, and how to use them. So if you enjoyed this video lesson, please give it a like and share it with your friends who are learning English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any my next video where we'll continue with more exciting words from English vocabulary. Also, check out the words in the description and end of this video for more lessons on basic and advanced English. Practice with consistency, review often, stay motivated. I would love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite words from today's lessons.